In today's video, I'll be unboxing a brand new miner. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, we are in a full-blown bear market, and in my opinion, this is the perfect time to start mining crypto and to start accumulating. So over the last couple of months, I have been trying to get as many crypto miners as possible, especially the ones that do not waste a lot of electricity, such as helium miners, such as demo miners, and this one in today's video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's unbox this brand new miner, and then at the end of the video I'll give you more information about this company. Let's go. This is the box that it came in. I have already cut the tape in order to make it a lot easier to open. Alright, so on the inside I will show you exactly what comes with it. First off, here's the miner itself. Let's quickly open it. I should have probably cut this before to make it a lot easier. Alright, so check it out. It is the Lenovo ThinkCentre, but it has nothing to do with the Lenovo company or anything in that nature. They are simply recycling older equipment and turning them into miners, which I believe, in my opinion, is a great way to go. Alright, so it does have some weight to it. This is literally a computer by itself. From what I have read online, this is probably going to be the easiest miner to set up. And as you can see right here, it is the wallet phrase. This is the phrase that I will use to open up the wallet on the Algorand ecosystem. Let me see what else in there. Some more packaging. A nice letter. Let's see what else. Alright, the power cable. Let's see what else. A Ethernet cable to set it up. So that is all you will need. The power cable, Ethernet cable, and the miner will start mining. Then right here is the other part for the power. So that is it. I also have another one with the pretty much same equipment. So I was able to get two, which is pretty sweet. Now let me put all of this back and let me tell you a little bit more about this company. This startup is called Fry's Crypto Excursions. Right now, they are a very small company. They're just getting started. They have 2 employees, but I believe in 2023, they will continue to expand even more. And who knows, Fry's Crypto might be the next big thing that can potentially make us a ton of money. And now we are on their website. I will include it in the description box below, so if you are interested, make sure to check it out. When we click on buy Fry miners, this will give you the option for 2 different miners, the satellite miner and the bandwidth miner. With the satellite miner, you will be receiving 2 Fry tokens every single day. With the bandwidth miner, you will be receiving 48 bandwidth tokens every single day. But the big difference is, with the satellite miner, you can have as many of them in one location as you want. With the bandwidth miner, you can only have 1 per location. Same like helium miners and other miners where you are only able to place 1 miner on your router. The one that I got is the bandwidth miner. I will be making more videos on the bandwidth miner, showing you guys how to set it up, how it operates, if it's profitable, and so on. Also, the site sells a couple of other miners as well. Most of the miners are refurbished equipment that they have converted into miners. Here's some shipping information for the bandwidth miners. As you can see, the cutoff date was December 31st, 2020, and their official date to ship them out will be at the end of Q1 in 2023. This is the beta version. The geolocation batch 1, their cutoff date for pre-order is March 31st, 2023, and they will be shipped out at the end of Q2 in 2023. Also, this is the beta version as well. This is their roadmap. As you can see, it is pretty simple. A lot of the upgrades that they will be receiving is different batches and improvements to their miners. This is their white paper as well, which will also be included on their website, but it does have more information about the project, especially right here when it comes to coupons. The more Fry tokens you mine, the bigger discounts you'll be receiving when you are ordering more miners. And then they also have other information as well, so if you want to read through everything, make sure to check it out. Link will be in the description box below. Here's the chart for the Fries token. They have three different pairs as of right now, one of them being Algorand, IAQ, and Blocks. And now when we take a look at their coin, you will see that the price is 0.025. But the total value locked is only $133. Market cap is only $111. It is pretty much non-existent. So if somebody comes here with $100 worth of Algorand and buys some fried tokens, the chart will skyrocket. Obviously, guys, this is a brand new startup still in beta. So hopefully once all the miners are shipped out, we will see some major changes to the chart. So this is the new miner that I'll be adding to the collection. Obviously, guys, none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research and do what is right for you. Investing in projects this early on, especially in the bear market, is very, very risky. But personally, I'm willing to take the risk. So that is all I have for this video. If you are interested in seeing the results of the Fries crypto miner, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, see you in the next one. Peace out.